As you can see, even though there were clashes just moments ago, the chants are continuing here. The people are here to show that they are not going to be subjugated by the Israeli soldiers. Very tense scene here, but for the locals, this is something that's very, very ordinary, not just this week, but in the past few months and years, very accustomed to seeing these kinds of tactics used.
بس ابعد عنه. خلاص تدخل خلاص خلاص.
لكن سابق وعليك على ربطك. انا ابوك على ربطك. على زعلت بدك سلامك.
اسمع شايفه انت كذلك مبين شباب ختيار.
Woman! Ow, 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 okay. They don't discriminate between journalists. The soldiers keep creating a line, and then after a while they start to attack in order to scare people so that they disperse. You still see the people here behind me sitting down on the floor in a show of resistance. ليش هجموا على الناس؟ ليش هجموا؟
العدو الإسرائيلي ينتهز الفرص سواء نحن كنا في الاعتقال أو كنا في المعابر أو كنا في أي مكان.
They're insisting that they do not want to go into the mosque until those machines are removed. Many of the people here are telling us that they will remain here not just today, not just through the clashes, but day after day until they have access to their beloved and faithful